你好. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ji. You're watching Learning Chinese with Ji. Do you want to learn Chinese? Stay here and follow me well, and I will show you the easiest way to learn Chinese. Today, our first lesson is basic conversational phrases. They are very useful for your daily life. They contain hello, thank you, I'm sorry, excuse me, and goodbye. These basic conversational phrases are used in everyday Chinese speech. Let's move on. To say hello in Chinese, 你好. 你好. 你好 literally translates into you good in English. You can use 你好 whenever you want to say hi or hello in English. For example, when you meet a friend or you sit beside a friend in the class, you can say 你好, 你好. It's easy, right? Okay, just one more time. 你好, 你好, 你好. Otherwise, people also use 您好 to say hello in Chinese. 您好, 您好. You use 您好 when you want to express your respect toward somebody like your boss, your teacher, your friend's parents. 您好 is the respectful form of 你好. 您好. Okay, you've learned two ways to say hello in Chinese. 你好, 你好 is casual greeting, and 您好 is formal greeting. Okay, we continue with how to say thank you. 谢谢, 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 谢谢. It's difficult? Okay, let's try it more slowly, yes? 谢谢, 谢谢. 谢谢你, 谢谢你 means thank you too. 谢谢, 谢谢你. The same situations when you want to say thank you to a person with respect, you use 您. 谢谢您, 谢谢您. 谢谢您. Just try to remember the way to say thank you in Chinese, because being able to thank someone is the first thing that you have to learn to say in another languages. So there are three different ways to say thank you in Chinese. 谢谢, thank. 谢谢你, thank you. 谢谢您. To say sorry, we have 对不起, 对不起. In these words have three parts. 对不起, 对不起. 对不起，对不起。对不起 is a classic apology that everyone uses. It can be used in every situation if you've made a mistake. For example, you step on someone's foot on the bus. On the train, you admit your mistake directly and want to say sorry about it, and you can say 对不起. It can be translated into I'm sorry in English. But in some situations that are not too important or rejecting an invitation, don't use 对不起. Chinese people use 不好意思. This word has 4 parts. 不好意思，不好意思，不好意思。You can use 不好意思 like excuse me in English. When you want to ask people for something, such as directions, address, 不好意思，不好意思。So, to say sorry for the important mistake, we have 对不起。And for non-important mistake, 不好意思，不好意思。To say goodbye in Chinese, 再见，再见。再见 literally translates into see you again in English. 再见 is the most common way to say goodbye in Chinese. In fact, there are so many different ways to say goodbye in Chinese. Like English, you have see you again, see you later, see you tomorrow, or I've got to go. Something like this, and in Chinese too. But today, I just introduced to you the most common way to say goodbye in Chinese. 再见，再见。Okay, let's take a reviews of what we've learned today. Hello. 你好，你好， or 您好，您好。To express your respect. 您好，谢谢，谢谢。Is thank you. 谢谢，谢谢你，谢谢你，谢谢您，谢谢您。To say I'm sorry, we have 2 ways. You say sorry. 对不起，对不起。不好意思，不好意思。再见，再见。Okay, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. In the next time, I will show you how to introduce yourself in Chinese. Goodbye, 再见。